So, okay. So now put the values of the whatever we have written in given data. So L1, how much L1? L1 is the 20,000 divided by 1 minus PL. PL is again longitudinal overlap, that is 0.6 into 1 upon, again here scale is same, 1 in 10,000 into length of photograph is 0.250 meter plus 1. So now tell me how much N1? Exact 21, Gauri?
Yes, sir.
Exact 21 or any digits are there?
Yes, sir. Exact.
Exact 21. Okay. So exact 21 numbers required. Or any 20 point something is there? Okay. So we got the number of photographs in the longitudinal strip, that is N1, 21. Then now calculate again here. Second, number of flight lines required. Number of flight lines required. So number of flight lines required, that is N2. Number of flight lines, that is N2. N2 is equal to, again we have to write the formula, W1 divided by 1 minus PL into 1 upon S into W plus 1. So put the values again here. Okay. So now put the values here. How much W1? W1 is 15000 because width is given. Now, sorry, here PW is there, no? In this formula, here PW will be there because we are calculating N2, PW. So how much PW? PW is again 0.3 into 1 upon, scale of photograph is 1 in 10,000 into divided by I think this scale is, just minute, I have to something went wrong while converting scale. Please wait. Actually, this is, please come to scale here. See, this meter and this centimeter, this value, please everyone please concentrate here, scale of photograph. 1 kilometer is equal to 10 meter. So we have converted 1 kilometer into 1000 meter by 1000 meter. It means we have to convert these both units are same here, so that S is equal to त्याला काही युनिट नसणार या ठिकाणी, सॉरी त्याला काही काय म्हणतो आपण, हे मीटर आणि हे सेंटीमीटर हे कॅन्सल होते का इथं, नाही होत ना, मीटर सेंटीमीटर कॅन्सल होत नाही. सो हाऊ इट कम 1/10,000. So this is wrong, the scale is wrong here, please correct here, please correct here. So we have to keep these two units are same, then this scale will be converted. Now here this is this 0 will get cancelled, so here scale is equal to 1/100. Are you getting? So here scale is 1/100, not 1/10,000. Please correct this, and I am sorry for this mistake from my side here. Are you getting? Scale having here no unit, 1 in 10,000 किंवा 1 in 100, 1 in 1000, here no unit. कधी युनिट नसणार आहे, हे मीटर असेल त्याच वेळी, किंवा हे किलोमीटर असेल त्याच वेळी घेतलं युनिट, इट विल बी कॅन्सल. बरोबर आहे की नाही? सो आपण मगाशी सेंटीमीटर आणि मीटर केलं ते एकमेकाला कॅन्सल होतच नव्हतं. अदरवाईज काय करायला लागलं असतं आपल्याला, बघा पुढं आपण ह्याच्या पुढे गेलो, सेंटीमीटर मध्येच गेलो, तर काय करायला लागेल आपल्याला, अगेन सी, परत एकदा आपण करू. सी दिस 1000 किलोमीटर, इट मीन्स 1000 meter. So this is 10 meter. Now again if we convert this 1000 into centimeter, so 1000 into 100 centimeter. At that time we have to convert this 10 into centimeter. So 10 into, again we have to multiply for centimeters. Now this is in centimeter. So now here this 100, this centimeter and this centimeter get cancelled. So this 0 and this 0 cancel. Now what will come? 1/this 100. So here scale is this 1/100. या लेवलला ही कॅल्क्युलेट करू शकतो आणि परत सेंटीमीटर मध्ये कन्वर्ट करून सुद्धा कॅल्क्युलेट. सो हियर वन स्केल इज 1 in 100. सो करेक्ट हियर प्लीज समथिंग हियर. हियर 1, हियर अगेन डू द correction please. So here okay, so here this 10,000, this 10,000 is replaced by 100 here. So now calculate this, because या ठिकाणी 100 लिहा, स्केल 1 in 100 आला आपला स्केल, चुकलं होतं मगाशी कॅल्क्युलेशन. So tell me now N1 value. Do these calculations and tell me N1 value again. By mistake our scale calculations went wrong. Two 2001. This value is 2001, correct? Okay. As per this scale, it will be more value, no problem. जर आपण हे स्केल कन्सिडर केलं तर ही व्हॅल्यू जास्त येऊ शकते. मगाशी आपण 1 in 10,000 होतं म्हणून कमी आली होती व्हॅल्यू. आता आपण स्केल अजून रिड्यूस केलं, it means this value is increases, no problem. Now again Here again 1 in 10, 100 into W is again here 0.250 plus 1. Now do the calculation for this N2. Whatever scale we have now calculated as this is correct now, कारण का हे 1 किलोमीटर इज इक्वल टू 10 मीटर होतं, तर हे युनिट दोन्ही सेम आले तरच स्केल इज इक्वल टू 1 इन काहीतरी समथिंग येणार आहे. हे करेक्ट आहे ना? वॉट एव्हर प्रोसिजर वी हॅव फॉलोड हे सेम युनिट मध्ये आलं पाहिजे, त्याच वेळी हे 1 इन व्हॅल्यू येईल. इज दिस करेक्ट? ऑल आर ॲग्री फॉर दिस? Because this is very important now here. Okay, tell me answer. 858.1. 858.1. It means 859 numbers. If we think, जर याचं जर थिंकिंग आपण जर लॉजिकली केलं तर एवढे नंबर ऑफ फ्लाईट लाईन्स किंवा एवढे नंबर ऑफ फोटोग्राफ्स एका लाईन मध्ये आले नाही पाहिजेत. यासाठी आपल्याला काय करावं लागेल? हे जे स्केल असतं हे इन्क्रीजच करावं लागेल. येते का लक्षात? हे स्केल खूप कमी आहे आता, त्याच्यामुळे काय व्हायला लागले, नंबर ऑफ फ्लाईट लाईन्स एवढे यायला लागलेत. एवढं आपल्याला पॉसिबल आहे का 859 विमानं प्रोव्हाइड करणं? नाहीये. ऍक्च्युली दिस इज नॉट पॉसिबल. पण जर आपलं स्केल एवढे येत असेल तर हे बाय कॅल्क्युलेशन इट इज करेक्ट, नो प्रॉब्लेम. whatever we have calculated here, this is 2001 and this is 859. By calculation this is correct. बट कशामुळे हे एवढं आलं तर स्केल ही खूप कमी होतं. हे स्केल आपल्याला काय करावं लागेल, 1 in 100 च्या ऐवजी 1 in 10,000 घ्यावं लागेल, 1 in 20,000 घ्यावं लागेल. आर यू गेटिंग? So this scale is very less now, so that's why these values are came, but by calculation this is correct, no problem. Okay, now calculate total number of photographs. Total number of photographs, total number of photographs to cover an area, is equal to what? N is equal to N1 into N2. So N1 is the 2001 and N2 is the 859. So calculate total number of photographs. One 1718859 17 18 859 बघा 17 18 859. It means something went wrong while choosing this scale. म्हणजे त्यांनी जे स्केल चूज केलं त्याच्यामध्ये काहीतरी त्यांची चूक झालेली आहे, कारण की एवढं स्केल कमी करून आपल्याला चालणार नाही, बिकॉज एवढे नंबर ऑफ फ्लाईट लाईन्स वी कॅनॉट पॉसिबल टू यूज दी एअरप्लेन्स फॉर दिस. त्यामुळं हे स्केल आपल्याला वाढवावंच लागेल. आर यू गेटिंग? ओके, बट बाय कॅल्क्युलेशन दिस इज करेक्ट, नो प्रॉब्लेम. वी हॅव फॉलोड प्रोसिजर. As per the procedure, this is the correct. Okay, so everyone got it, how to calculate number of photographs? So okay, we will see the next example, and आता प्रोसिजर सेमच असेल, फक्त काय करावं लागेल तुम्हाला, आता जे जे स्केल दिलेत ते स्केल फक्त कसे कन्वर्ट करायचे ते आपण बघू. ओके, सो दिस थर्ड एक्झाम्पल आय विल राईट हिअर. यू तुम्ही ट्राय करा तो कसं सोडवायचं, फक्त आपण स्केल मी तुम्हाला कसं हे करायचं सांगतो. ओके, सो नाव राईट डाऊन द स्केल of an aerial photograph, the scale of an aerial photograph, the scale of an aerial photograph is 1 centimeter is equal to 100 meter. 1 centimeter is equal to 100 meter. Full stop. The photograph size is 20 centimeter by 20 centimeter. Full stop. The photograph size is 20 centimeter by 20 centimeter. Full stop. Determine the number of photographs. Determine the number of photographs to cover an area is 10 kilometer by 10 kilometer, 10 kilometer by 10 kilometer if longitudinal overlap is 60% and side overlap is 30%. Side overlap is 30%. See, the scale of an aerial photograph is 1 centimeter is equal to 100 meter. The photograph size is 20 centimeter by 20 centimeter. Determine the number of photographs to cover an area is 10 kilometer by 10 kilometer if longitudinal overlap is 60% and side overlap is 30%. See, given data. So now given data, here scale is given. So S is equal to, they have given 1 centimeter is equal to 100 meter. Sorry, 100, no? 100 meter. It means we have to now convert both the units same. Here centimeter we have to convert. So 100 into 100 meter is there. So how much we have to multiply here per centimeter? 1 meter is equal to how much centimeter? 100. So here we have to multiply by 100. So scale is equal to how much? This 100 into 100. It means this 1 centimeter is equal to 10,000 centimeter. It means centimeter get cancelled. So S is equal to now here 1 in 10,000. Alak lakshat. In this way we have to convert scale. Now if I will take one more example of scale here. 1 centimeter is equal to 200 meter. If such example is there, then now how to convert this into scale. This 1 centimeter is equal to 2200 meter is there. So 2200 into, we have to multiply by 100. Then it will come into centimeter. So again here 1 centimeter is equal to 20,000 centimeter. So 20,000 centimeter get cancelled. So here S is equal to 1 upon 20,000. Are you getting now? In this way we have to convert the scale. Both units are same, and that तुम्ही जर ते सेंटीमीटर मध्ये ठेवले तर बेटर, म्हणजे चूकच होणार नाही तुमची. दोन्हीकडचे पण युनिट सेंटीमीटर मध्येच आणायचे. अलग लक्षात. इथं किलोमीटर असो, इथं मीटर असो, किंवा इथं सेंटीमीटर असो, इथे मीटर असो, कुठेही काही असेल तर दोन्ही युनिट काय करायचे, सेंटीमीटर मध्ये आणायचे. त्यातलं एक 1 आणायचं आणि बाकीचं काय असेल ते येईल ती व्हॅल्यू. अलग लक्षात. स्केल कन्वर्जन here important is only scale conversion. Scale, how to calculate scale? Yes, that is very important here. Are you getting? लक्षात आलंय का scale? If we calculate scale properly, then your this example or problem is 100% will be correct. Others we have to do the only procedure we have to follow, n1, n2 and n we have to calculate. Only scale is here important. Other part is given in your problem. Given data is clear, only we have to convert the scale. Okay, so now start the solve the problem. This so write down other data, other given data, write down how much given, scale is given that we have calculated. Now small l is given, that is 0.20 centimeter, it means 0.200 meter. Then width of photograph is given, that is again 20 centimeter, it means 0.200 meter. L1 is 10 kilometer given, it means 10,000 meter. W1 is 10 kilometer given, it means again 10,000 meter. Same PL is given 60%, it means 60 divided by 100, 0.6. Then PW 30% given, it means 30 divided by 100, so 0.3 is given. So this is the given data. So now calculate N1 and N2 and tell me the N, total number of photographs required. Follow the procedure only. Small a is number of photographs required in longitudinal strip. That is N1. So N1 is equal to, write the formula, WL1 divided by 1 minus PL into 1 upon S into L plus 1. So here L1 is 10,000 divided by 1 minus PL is 0.6 into 1 upon 10,000 scale into 0.200 plus 1. Now tell me N1. Similarly we can calculate here N2, that is number of flight lines. number of flight lines required. So number of flight lines required, that is nothing but n2. So for n2, the formula is W1 divided by 1 minus PW into 1 upon S into W plus 1. I am going fast because we have solved the two examples. Same. Now similar part is there. So tell me N1 first. N1 is 13.5. N1 is 13.5. It means 14 number. Okay. And N2 we have to calculate now. So that N2 is again here. W is 10,000 divided by 1 minus PW is again 0.3. Here 1 divided by 1 upon 10,000 into W is again 0.200 plus 1. So tell me N2. So here N2 is, Gauri has given answer, that is 8.14. It means 9 numbers. So other, please do the calculations. So now calculate total number of photographs. So now total number of photographs is equal to total number of photographs required to cover entire area. So that is N, capital N. So capital N is equal to N1 into N2. So N1 is 14 and N2 is 9. So here 126 numbers required. It means 126 number of photographs required to cover entire area. So in this way we can calculate the number of photographs of any land, but for that we have to assume this land is a rectangle. So are you getting? Everyone has written this. So in this way we can calculate the number of photographs. Everyone has written. So today we will stop here. 5 minutes are remaining, but we will stop here today. So next lecture we will see the next part of this unit. Okay, so here this numerical part of this chapter is over. Now we will see some of the remaining theoretical part of this chapter. So shall I close here? Everyone has written. So I have taken attendance also. So you can left if your is over. Hmm? Others, yours over. So if yours writing is over, then I will close. Or you can solve, no problem, because we have solved 2 problems earlier, so you can solve by seeing this. Okay, so I will stop here. I will close now. Hmm? So you can left, no problem if yours over.